Get ready for a sensory overload. The roar of engines, the crack of timber, and the sight of massive trees toppling in seconds. This video pushes the boundaries of logging like never before. Don't miss it. Check out this beast, a homemade firewood processor that's built to get the job done. Powered by pure ingenuity, this machine is ready to tackle logs of all sizes. Watch as the massive circular saw slices through wood like it's butter, feeding logs effortlessly into the splitter. The hydraulic system is the star of the show, working smoothly to handle even the toughest jobs. With its robust design and no-nonsense approach, this DIY marvel is every firewood enthusiast's dream. Who needs factory-made when you can build your own powerhouse? This is engineering at its finest. Meet the Blue Viper Firewood Processor, the ultimate solution for turning logs into perfectly split firewood with ease. This powerhouse combines efficiency and precision, featuring a robust hydraulic splitter that makes quick work of even the toughest logs. The sturdy design ensures durability, while its user-friendly controls keep you in charge of the process. Whether you are stocking up for winter or running a firewood business, the Blue Viper delivers results you can count on. It's not just a machine, it's your firewood powerhouse. Watch this incredible transformation as an artist breathes new life into an old tree stump. With a chainsaw in hand and unmatched creativity, this craftsman turns a forgotten piece of wood into a magical masterpiece. Step by step, you can see the intricate details taking shape: a winding staircase, cozy windows, and a whimsical little house that looks straight out of a fairy tale. Every cut and carve brings more life and character to this stunning creation. From a simple stump to a piece of art, this is a perfect blend of skill, imagination, and hard work. Who knew a discarded tree could become the centerpiece of a backyard wonderland? V. Meet the Palex C 751 firewood processor, a machine built for precision and power. Watch as its high-speed circular saw tears through logs with ease, delivering clean and consistent cuts every time. Take a look at this stump removal method, a creative approach, but one that comes with significant safety concerns. Using a tripod and chains to pull out tree stumps might seem like a quick and effective solution, but it relies on extreme tension in the chains, which can be dangerous. If a chain were to snap under the pressure, it could fly back with incredible force, potentially causing severe injuries or property damage. While this setup showcases ingenuity and resourcefulness, it's crucial to remember that safety should always come first. There are professional stump removal tools and machinery designed to handle these tasks with far less risk. When working with such high tension, even the smallest mistake can have serious consequences. So, while this method gets the job done, think twice before trying it yourself. Sometimes, investing in the right equipment or professional help is the best way to ensure both efficiency and safety. Here is another DIY stump removal method using a high-lift jack and chains. While this setup might seem clever and effective, it's not without its risks. The tension on the chains can build up to dangerous levels, and if something gives way, it could cause serious injury. Although it gets the job done, this approach isn't the safest option. Always consider using professional tools designed for stump removal to ensure safety while working on projects like this.
Nick, would that take about a minute? Less. Alright, there you go. Just a simple design. That's it. Alright.
Here is a bold attempt to take down a tree using a skid steer and some heavy-duty ropes. While it may look straightforward, this method carries significant risks. The tension in the ropes is immense, and if something snaps or fails, it could result in serious injury or property damage. Additionally, without proper planning, the tree's fall direction might become unpredictable, putting nearby structures and people in harm's way. While this approach might get the job done, professional equipment and techniques are always safer and more reliable for tree removal. Remember, safety should always come first when tackling big projects like this. Watch this Kobelco excavator in action, clearing stumps and debris with precision and power. Equipped with a heavy-duty grapple, it makes quick work of uprooting and removing even the toughest tree stumps. This machine is built for efficiency, tackling large areas in record time. Whether it's land clearing or prepping for new projects, the Kobelco shows why it's a go-to choice for heavy-duty tasks. A true powerhouse in action. Here is a true pro in action, taking on a massive tree with skill and precision. Balancing high off the ground, this lumberjack uses a powerful chainsaw to cut through the trunk like it's nothing. It's not just about strength, it's about technique and experience to ensure safety and accuracy. Watching this level of craftsmanship is both thrilling and inspiring. Talk about working with nature's giants. Introducing the Westech Woodcracker R900, a game-changer in stump removal and forestry work. This powerful machine rips through massive tree stumps with ease, leaving no trace behind. Its robust design and advanced hydraulics make it perfect for tackling even the toughest terrains. Whether it's clearing land or preparing for new projects, the Woodcracker R900 delivers efficiency and precision every time. If you are serious about forestry, this beast is a must-have. Watch this rugged stump puller in action, tearing through soil and roots with brute force. Designed for heavy-duty orchard work, it makes clearing old tree stumps fast and efficient. No frills, just raw power getting the job done perfect for transforming fields back into productive land. Check out this powerful tree pulling machine at work, making quick progress in clearing unwanted trees from the orchard. Using chains and hydraulic force, it grips the base of the tree and uproots it with precision and strength. This method ensures minimal damage to the surrounding area while making the process efficient. Whether it's clearing old growth for new planting or land preparation, this machine is a farmer's best friend for heavy-duty orchard management. Meet the Stump Ripper, the ultimate tool for tearing through stubborn tree stumps with ease. Designed for sheer power and precision, this heavy-duty attachment rips apart stumps and roots, leaving no trace behind. With its sharp, claw-like design, it digs deep into the toughest wood and soil, making it perfect for land clearing and site preparation. No more struggling with traditional methods, this beast gets the job done faster and more efficiently. If you are looking for raw power and forestry equipment, the Stump Ripper is in a league of its own. Introducing the Savannah Global Stump Puller 1720, a true powerhouse for large-scale land clearing. This massive machine uses its heavy-duty drum and unique design to rip out stumps and roots with ease, clearing acres of land in record time. Built for efficiency and durability, it's perfect for forestry operations, farmland prep, and reclamation projects. The 1720 doesn't just pull stumps, it dominates them, turning hard work into a streamlined process. When it comes to heavy-duty land clearing, the Savannah Global Stump Puller is in a league of its own. Meet the Rotor Hydro 17-25, the ultimate tool for stump grinding and removal. This powerful attachment uses hydraulic force to pulverize stumps, breaking them down right at the root. Whether it's clearing fields or prepping land for new projects, the Rotor Hydro gets the job done with efficiency and precision. Designed to handle even the toughest terrains, it's the perfect combination of power and versatility. Say goodbye to stubborn stumps with the Rotor Hydro 17-25. Introducing the Bitemaster Stump Remover, a true powerhouse in land clearing. This heavy-duty attachment tears through stubborn stumps with precision and raw strength. Its sharp, claw-like design grips and rips stumps right out of the ground, making quick work of even the toughest root systems. Built for efficiency, the Bitemaster not only clears stumps but preps the land for whatever comes next. Whether it's for forestry, farming, or landscaping, this machine ensures no stump is left standing. The Bitemaster, because tough jobs need tougher tools. The Honda Martinez root plow is a simple yet powerful tool for clearing roots and tough vegetation. Attached to a tractor, it cuts deep into the soil, pulling out stubborn roots with ease. Whether you are prepping farmland or reclaiming overgrown areas, this root plow gets the job done efficiently and effectively. Meet the Iru Track 5.3 with its powerful stump grinder attachment. This remote-controlled machine shreds stumps into mulch effortlessly, handling even the toughest terrains with its durable tracks. Precision, power, and efficiency come together to make land clearing easier than ever. Introducing the Baumolite Stump Blaster PTO, a compact yet powerful solution for stump grinding. This PTO-driven attachment connects seamlessly to your tractor, delivering incredible cutting force to grind stumps down to mulch in no time. Its durable design ensures long-lasting performance, making it perfect for farms, landscaping, or any land clearing project. The Stump Blaster turns stubborn stumps into sawdust with efficiency and ease,